When it comes to insurance, sometimes plans change and you may need to cancel your policy. If you have a Star Health insurance policy and are wondering how to cancel it, the process is actually quite simple. First, if you've just purchased your policy and it's still within the free look period, you can cancel it directly through Star Health's website. The free look period allows you to review the terms and conditions of your policy, and if you're not satisfied, you can request a cancellation and get your premium refunded after necessary deductions. But what if the free look period has already passed? In that case, you still have options. You can reach out to Star Health's support team directly. The easiest way is by sending an email to support@starhealth.in with your policy details and a request for cancellation. Alternatively, you can call their toll-free helpline at 1-800-425-2255 to speak to a customer service executive who will guide you step by step through the process. Keep in mind that depending on when you cancel, certain deductions or terms may apply, so it's always a good idea to clarify the refund and closing details with the support team. And that's it. Canceling your Star Health insurance policy is straightforward as long as you follow the right steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more simple guides on insurance and finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.